Ladies and gentlemen, Tanzania is also awarded a Fair Play Trophy. Give it up for Tanzania. Wakati mwingine cha Fair Play, let's go upon the Tanzania captain to step forward and receive the Fair Play Trophy. Tanzania team, you can also join our commissioner and the team captain to take a group picture. Hongera sana Tanzania Police. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Tanzania Police Basketball. Hongera sana, tunashukuru sana. Thank you so much.